Hello students, let us start with today's topic of NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. These are the topics we will discuss: arange, linspace, ones, zeros, I and diag. Suppose I write A is equal to NP dot arange N then print A. Let us check the output. The values are from 0 to 9. Now what is the meaning of this? If I write np dot arange inside n is any integer value, then I can print 0 to n minus 1. These are the basic fundamentals. Suppose I write 7 here, then I can print the value from 0 to 6. Now, what more about np dot arange? Suppose I write 0, 11, 2. Let us execute the program. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Suppose I write 3 here. It's 0, 3, 6 and 9. Now what is the meaning of this? There are 3 values. First is start, second is end, and third is step. Now the 3 values are 0, 11 and 3. Suppose I am writing 0 to 11, then I can print from 0 to 10. If I am writing 5 to 11, I can print from 5 to 10. Basically, what is the meaning of this? If I am writing 5 to 15, I can print from 5 to 14. It means it will print from 5 to 14. It means the first value is included and second is excluded. Basically, I can write 15 minus 1 like this. It is the end point. Third one is the step. Suppose I am writing 2 here. What is the meaning of this? By default it's 1. If I am writing 2, I can print 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13 like this. It means the jumping factor of 2 is there. If I am writing 3, it means if first value is 5, then next is 8, 5 plus 3, then plus 3, then plus 3. Basically, we are developing arithmetic progression. 5, 8, 11 and 14. It is similar to 1 AP. If you know about mathematics, AP is arithmetic progression. The numbers or common difference is same. Here, basically 3 is the common difference. We can also print the values in reverse order. Suppose I am writing 15 here and 5 here and minus 2 here. Then I can print the value in reverse order: 15, 13, 11, 9 and 7. Hope you understand the content of writing the values using arange. First is, I repeat again, if I am writing 15 here, I can print the value from 0 to 15. If I am writing 7 here, I can print the value from 0 to 6. If I am writing 1 here and minus 1 here, I can print the values in reverse order. If I am writing minus 2, it means jumping factor of 2 is there. If I am writing 1, 7 and 3, I can print the values accordingly 1 and 4. If I write 17 here, I can print the values up to 16. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and 16. Hope you understand the content of arange. Now the second one is linspace. Suppose I write np dot linspace 0, 1 and 5. Let us check the output so that I can explain these values. What is the meaning of this? Print A. Now execute. See the output. The output is 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 and 1. First value is 0 and the last value is 1. It means I can write first then last. In linspace both are included. Now what is the meaning of 5? Basically 5 values separated by equal distance. Basically there are 5 values separated by equal distance. If I write 7 here, you can separate into 7 values, but 0 and 1 is included. Only 5 values are there in between 0 and 1. Suppose I write 10 and 20, then 5. It means in between 10 and 20, 3 values are there. It means total of 5 is there. Please keep in mind, not 5 values, it's total of 5. 10 and 20 both are included. Only 3 values are there in between and separated by the same gap. It's 2.5. Gap is 2.5 here. It means 5 values are there, and when we divide it, it will give us the value 2.5. Now next one is ones. What is the meaning of ones? Suppose I write A is equal to np dot ones, and here I am writing 3. Check the output. It means single row is there with all the elements as 1. If I am writing 5, it means 5 ones are there. If I am writing 3, 4 and place again inside one round bracket, then execute. Now check the output. Basically it's the order 3 into 4. These are 3 rows and 4 columns. I can develop a matrix comprised of only ones with the help of this extension. The next one is zeros. A is equal to np dot zeros. Suppose I write 5 here, it means 5 zeros. You can print 5 zeros. It's available for ones and zeros only, not for other number. Suppose I write 2, 3 and place again in round bracket. It means 2 rows and 3 columns. you can print 2 rows and 3 columns. Hope you understand the first 4 topics. First is arange, second is linspace, third one is ones, and fourth is zeros. Next is I. Now what is the meaning of I? Suppose I write np dot I and pass some number. Execute the program. You can print the identity matrix of the order 4. All ones are there at diagonal position and other values are 0. The next one is diagonal. Suppose I write here np dot arange then 4. It means inside diagonal 4 values are there from 0 to 3. What is the meaning of np dot arange? It means values are from 0 to 3. But all the values located at diagonal positions 0, 1, 2, 3. But if you would like to change the values, you can write here 2, 5, 1, 7, 8, 9, any values. Now print. You can print these values at diagonal location 2, 5, 1, 7, 8, 9. Hope you understand the content of today's video. Arange, linspace, ones, zeros, I and diagonal. Thanks for watching my video.